Nature's Flow by teacher Woo-myung. This poem is called Pride. The thing that man will hold on to until the very end is his pride. One's pride is the life he has lived until now, and so he is unwilling to let go of it. He is unwilling to let go of it even after he is dead. Tears come to my eyes. Man may look back on his life over and over again. However, no one else but he knows his experiences. With the flow of time, man rears his mind, a mind which he gains throughout his life and lives fixed upon. The universe blames that mind. It tells man to let go of that mind and live. Life is a passing memory in which anything and everything passes, in which man sees what he sees as existence, in which man thinks he is his self, in which man does not realize that attachments are burdens. The will of the universe is the mind, which is one that is absent of attachments. Such is the will of the universe. The mind is the universe. The mind is the origin. One who does not know this true will of the universe will live with his own distant and obscure mind.